For decades, Toyota has been the gold standard for reliability. From the legendary Camry to the rugged Tacoma, Toyota built a reputation for bulletproof cars that could endure decades of wear and tear. Mechanics praised its straightforward engineering, and drivers trusted their Toyotas with their lives. But now, troubling signs are starting to show. Complaints are rising, loyal customers are feeling betrayed, and former employees are questioning Toyota's direction. Could Toyota's once untouchable reliability be slipping? Are its iconic trucks like the Tacoma and Tundra still built to last? Or is something deeper at play? Stay tuned because this isn't just a Toyota story. It's a warning for the entire auto industry. Toyota's reliability, a reputation on the line. Toyota wasn't always known for style or cutting-edge tech. Instead, its success came from simplicity and durability. Cars like the Corolla, Tacoma, and 4Runner were built with rock-solid engineering that could handle years of abuse. For many, Toyotas became more than just cars. They were trusted companions, capable of running for hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal maintenance. But now, whispers of declining quality are turning into loud concerns. Longtime Toyota owners are reporting issues that would have been unthinkable just a decade ago. Doors that creak, dashboards that crack, infotainment systems that glitch. These aren't the Toyotas customers used to know. The question is, what changed? The hidden cost of modernization. The auto industry has evolved, and so have consumer demands. Buyers today want more than reliability. They want sleek designs, advanced technology, and electric options. Toyota, like every automaker, had to adapt. But adapting came with trade-offs. 1. Cost-cutting measures. To keep prices competitive, Toyota began making subtle changes to its vehicles. Interiors once made of rugged, solid materials are now lighter, cheaper, and more prone to wear. Customers have reported dashboard plastics that creak under pressure. Door handles feel flimsy compared to older models. Paint quality and rust prevention seem to have declined. These changes save money, but erode the very trust that Toyota built its empire on. 2. Electrification challenges. Toyota was once a pioneer in hybrid technology with the launch of the Prius. But when it came to fully electric vehicles, Toyota fell behind. Competitors like Tesla, Hyundai, and Kia seized the lead with innovative electric cars. In a rush to catch up, Toyota launched the bZ4X, its first mass-market electric SUV. The result? Battery range issues, poor charging times, quality control concerns. For a brand built on meticulous engineering, these missteps are a major red flag. 3. The complexity problem. Modern Toyotas are packed with advanced safety features, infotainment systems, and hybrid powertrains. These technologies look great on paper, but they add complexity. And complexity introduces failure points. Take Toyota's electronic driver assistance systems. Features like lane-keeping assistance and adaptive cruise control are designed to make driving easier, but many owners complain they are overly sensitive, intrusive, and unreliable. Instead of enhancing the driving experience, they create stress. As one analyst put it, the more features you add, the more there is to go wrong. Toyota is walking a fine line here. Loyal customers are starting to worry. The heart of Toyota's success has always been its loyal customers. These are drivers who don't want flashy gimmicks. They want a car they can count on for 20 years. But many of those customers feel abandoned as Toyota shifts its focus. One longtime Toyota owner put it bluntly, "I didn't buy a Toyota for its fancy touchscreen. I bought it because I knew it would last. Now I'm not so sure." The complaints are piling up. Increased recalls. From faulty airbags to fuel pump failures, Toyota's once flawless reputation for quality control is showing cracks. Higher repair costs. Modern Toyotas require specialized tools and expensive repairs, making maintenance a financial burden. Rising prices. Toyotas are no longer the budget-friendly options they once were, especially with dealership markups on popular models like the RAV4 Hybrid. Add in aggressive dealership practices, like adding thousands of dollars in market adjustment fees, and many customers are starting to feel betrayed. Is Toyota still worth the price? For years, Toyota was untouchable. Drivers knew that paying a little extra for a Toyota meant getting unmatched reliability. But now, competitors like Hyundai and Kia are offering similar features, longer warranties, and lower prices. This raises a critical question: is Toyota still worth the investment? For many buyers, the answer isn't so clear. If a Hyundai Tucson or Kia Sorento can offer the same tech and reliability for less money, why stick with Toyota? The stakes couldn't be higher. If Toyota loses its reputation for reliability, it risks losing its most loyal customers to competitors who are hungry for market share. What's happening behind the scenes? Former Toyota employees have shed light on the company's changing approach. In the past, Toyota factories were known for rigorous inspections. No car left the assembly line unless it was perfect. Today, there's pressure to produce more vehicles faster, and corners are being cut. One former worker claimed, "We used to spend hours making sure every car met our standards. Now, speed comes first." This shift in priorities has had consequences. Stories of premature rust, failing components, and electronic glitches are becoming more common. And while Toyota's cars are still reliable compared to the industry average, they no longer feel invincible. Can Toyota regain its crown? Toyota's challenges are real, but they are not insurmountable. The company has the resources, the expertise, and the brand loyalty to turn things around. But to do so, Toyota needs to take immediate action. Double down on quality control. Toyota must return to its roots, ensuring every car meets the highest standards of durability and craftsmanship, even if that means slowing production. Balance innovation and simplicity. Modern features are important, but Toyota must ensure they are reliable, intuitive, and genuinely improve the driving experience. Rebuild trust at dealerships. Dealership markups and aggressive sales tactics damage Toyota's reputation. Stricter pricing guidelines and transparency are essential. Lead electrification thoughtfully. Toyota must commit to EVs without rushing them to market. Quality cannot be sacrificed for speed. If Toyota can strike this balance, it has the potential not just to recover, but to set a new standard for the industry. The road ahead, a critical moment for Toyota. Toyota's reputation was built on trust. Millions of drivers chose Toyota because they believed it would never let them down. Now, that trust is being tested. For Toyota, the road ahead is clear. Address customer concerns. Focus on quality over quantity. Preserve the reliability that made it legendary. If Toyota can do this, it will not only win back its loyal customers, but also prove that innovation and reliability can coexist. But if it fails, it risks losing the very foundation that made it an automotive giant. What do you think? Has Toyota lost its legendary reliability, or is it simply evolving with the times? Are the changes a necessary part of progress, or has Toyota gone too far? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want more insights on what's happening in the auto industry, be sure to stay tuned. Toyota's legacy is on the line, and the world is watching.